So I'm going to show you guys how to change the air filter for the engine and the cabin air filter for the AC in the car. This filters out dirty stuff for the engine, and this filters out dirty stuff for us inside the car when we breathe. To change the air filter for the engine, you need to pop the hood, and when you go underneath the car, you see right there's a lever. You pull this lever to the front of the car, and then you look down underneath here, there's a lever. Push that up. You see this lever right here? So you push it up so you can open up the hood. And all the way to your left, that's the air filter. Alright, you want to try popping out these four corners. Okay, pop the latches. 1, then 2, and then there's more in the back. 3, good. And then there's one probably on the other side. Let's see. Yep, one more right there. How about you? Your hand's long. Okay. You see it? There you go. Okay, once they're all loose, you actually have to, this actually comes off of it. See, this comes off of it. You need to make sure it comes off. That's came off. This needs to come off. And that side needs to come off. Okay, now you can pop this cover off. Now this cover is going to be connected to this rubber inlet right here. And it makes it a little bit hard, see, to pull it upward. Yes, that's how a brand new one looks like. So how about you two help each other out? One of you, how about you take out the air filter? Yes, take it out. And one of you, just put it in. Good job. And as long as it fits, now let's put this all the way back down. And now you have to clip it back on. You want to try doing that? There you go. Okay, how about the back? Alright, you want to do the last one out over there? This one over here? Got one more over here. Good job. Now let's change the cabin air filter. Alright, so now to close the hood, just pull it down. I wouldn't grab it that way, yeah. Grab it on the grill. And there you go. And it's latched. In order to change the cabin air filter, you first need to open up the glove compartment. And there's a bunch of stuff. Let's take this out. Let's take out the manuals, insurance. I think that's pretty much it. We can leave the bottom part. Next, you need to take out this tray. It has to be pulled upwards on both sides. Up, and then up. And then you can pull this out. Okay, next. You see all the way inside? You need to take this out. So, there's a little latch right here. See that? Pull that out. And this thing comes out as one piece. Now, there's another one. Do you see those two tabs? 1 and 2. You want to try taking those two tabs out? Yep, just pull it in. And then you pull in the other side. There you go. Yep, and then it comes out. See? You pull it in. The whole piece comes out now. Okay, now you can pull out the air filter. And look, there's a direction on it. Do you see the direction? It says up. You see the word up? Okay, pull it out in the same direction like that. Okay, one is out. See how dirty this is? Does it look dirty? Look at the new one. Alright, good job. So, do you see right here it says airflow like that? And that's up. Okay, can you put it in? Just slide all the way in. Good job. Now let's reverse the order. That's in. Now where's the clip? Okay, when you put this in, do you see up? You make sure it points up. And you can snap that in. Push it in. Push both sides. There you go. Yep, snapped in. Now you put the other. See, it clicks a little bit. Okay, now put this one in. Also, there's. You see how it says up. There you go. Yeah, you put in that side first, and then. There you go. Good job. Yep, that's it. Okay, now we can put in the tray. There you go. And then you push down. That's it. There you go. It's in. Good job.